Want Twitch audio to keep playing when you leave the app or lock your screen, but it stops unexpectedly. Background audio issues can interrupt streams, podcasts, and live content. In this video, I will show you how to fix continue playing audio in the background on Twitch app. The first thing you have to do is to go to Twitch. In this page, you will go to the sign of profile. You will tap on your profile. Then here in this window, you will move to settings. After that, in this list of settings, you will find preferences. So tap on preferences. And then here in this page, you will find this sign of continue playing audio in the background. So you will click on this sign, and then you can choose here always continue playing audio in the background. So this is how it works. If you are enjoying watching this video, and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to